Satellites are powerful tools. They help us understand our planet. Now they're revealing a hidden danger: pollution's impact on our health. Sentinel-5P, a European Space Agency satellite, is tracking harmful gases from space. One of these gases, formaldehyde, is a worrying sign. It's linked to an increased risk of cancer. By monitoring formaldehyde levels, scientists can pinpoint areas where people are most at risk. This information is vital for governments and health organizations. It allows them to take action and protect public health. Formaldehyde is a colorless gas. It has a strong smell. We encounter it in many everyday products. These include building materials and furniture. However, high levels of formaldehyde are a cause for concern. This is because formaldehyde is a known carcinogen. This means it can cause cancer. Sentinel-5P detects formaldehyde in the atmosphere. This includes formaldehyde from industrial activities, traffic, and other sources. By analyzing this data, we can identify areas with higher cancer risks. Scientists use heat maps to visualize formaldehyde data from Sentinel-5P. These maps use color to show the concentration of formaldehyde in the air. Red areas indicate high formaldehyde concentrations and therefore higher risk. Blue areas represent lower concentrations and lower risk. By comparing heat maps over time, we can see how formaldehyde levels change. This helps us understand the long-term impact of pollution on human health. Data from Sentinel-5P has revealed high-risk zones worldwide. For example, in heavily industrialized parts of China and India, formaldehyde levels are worryingly high. This correlates with increased rates of respiratory illnesses and certain cancers in these regions. Similarly, cities with heavy traffic, like Los Angeles, show elevated formaldehyde concentrations. These real-world examples highlight the link between formaldehyde pollution and cancer risk. They underline the importance of monitoring and addressing this issue. Section 5. Connecting the dots. Local data and satellite insights. Satellite data is most effective when combined with information gathered on the ground. Air quality monitoring stations provide local measurements of HCHO and other pollutants. This combined data helps us validate satellite observations. It also helps us understand the specific sources of pollution in different areas. This allows for targeted interventions and policies. The insights gained from Sentinel-5P are a call to action for various stakeholders. Governments should implement stricter emission controls, invest in cleaner technologies, and raise public awareness. Researchers need to continue refining satellite data analysis, develop early warning systems, and investigate the long-term health effects of formaldehyde exposure. Public health officials can use this data to inform public health campaigns, target vulnerable populations, and develop strategies for reducing exposure. The effects of formaldehyde exposure can be both immediate and long-term. In the short term, it can irritate the eyes, nose, and throat, causing respiratory problems. Long-term exposure is linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, including nasopharyngeal cancer and leukemia. Understanding these risks is crucial for developing effective public health policies. A Sentinel-5P's ability to track formaldehyde is just the beginning. Satellites are becoming increasingly sophisticated and can now monitor a wide range of pollutants. This data will be invaluable in our fight against pollution and its effects on human health. It will allow us to create a cleaner, healthier future for everyone. The link between formaldehyde pollution and cancer risk is clear. Satellite data like that from Sentinel-5P provides us with a powerful tool to understand and address this global challenge. By using this data wisely, we can make informed decisions and implement effective policies to protect public health. In doing so, we can create a healthier future for all.